As the City of Lights, Aurora was among the first American cities to have an all-electric street lighting system. Located beside the Fox River, Aurora provides beautiful scenery as well as a variety of outdoor pursuits, such as riding and strolling along the Fox River Trail and visiting the Phillips Park Zoo and Sunken Garden. Let's embark on a discovery of Aurora's top 10 attractions, each offering a glimpse into the city's vibrant heart. Aurora Sports Park. A great place to watch and play sports, Aurora Sports Park is well known for its first-rate amenities, which include lots of well-kept baseball and soccer grounds. Major local, regional, and national competitions in a variety of sports are frequently held at the park, giving spectators a chance to watch top-tier competitive action. Arapaho Park Racetrack. Renowned for its live horse racing, Arapaho Park provides both regular racegoers and novices with an exciting experience. One of the main draws is the thrill of seeing thoroughbreds in action. Situated in the lovely environs close to Aurora, Colorado, the park offers an exquisite setting for a day at the races, fusing the excitement of athletics with the splendor of the natural world. The racetrack frequently hosts family-friendly events and kid-friendly activities, making it an enjoyable trip for guests of all ages. Morrison Nature Center. The facility offers breathtaking views of the local wildlife and flowers, situated in a lovely environment. It's a fantastic location to see wildlife in its natural habitat, such as deer, different bird species, and other local creatures. There are well-kept pathways winding across a variety of landscapes at the center. These paths are ideal for hiking, seeing birds, or just taking a leisurely stroll through the outdoors. The facility provides a calm haven where people may unwind, recharge, and re-establish a connection with nature in a world where things move quickly. Vintage Theatre. This intimate venue showcases local talent across a variety of performances, from drama to comedy. Its community focus and the bond between performers and audience members make it a cultural gem. Aurora Fox Arts Center. The Aurora Fox Arts Center, which caters to a wide spectrum of artistic inclinations, is well known for its diverse range of performing arts. It features everything from plays and musicals to dance performances and concerts. The center provides a close-up and personal theater experience, enabling a greater connection between the artists and the audience thanks to its smaller, more intimate setting. Stanley Marketplace. The Stanley Marketplace is not like other malls. It presents a distinctive fusion of neighborhood boutiques, specialty businesses, and artisan shops, creating a shopping experience that is different from traditional retail options and simultaneously diverse. With a vast selection of restaurants ranging from modest cafes to fine dining establishments, the marketplace is a haven for foodies. It's the perfect location to sample a range of regional specialties and cuisines. Stanley Marketplace is intended to serve as more than simply a shopping destination. It's a place for the community to come together, mingle, and take in the warm, energetic atmosphere. Aurora's Southlands Shopping Center. One of the biggest retail complexes in the area, Southlands offers a broad selection of retail establishments to suit every kind of consumer, from well-known national chains to distinctive local boutiques. A variety of food alternatives, offering a taste of both local and international cuisines, are available within the shopping complex. These options include fine dining restaurants, casual eateries, and quick meals. Southlands is a vibrant destination for people of all ages since it offers more than simply dining and shopping. It also has a movie theater, live music venues, and seasonal events. Plains Conservation Center. The facility covers a huge expanse of natural grasslands, providing breathtaking views and the chance to observe a variety of wildlife, such as prairie dogs, birds, and other native species, in their native habitat. The center's main goals are to inform visitors about the history of the region, including the lives of early settlers and Native Americans, as well as the ecology of the prairie ecosystem and conservation initiatives. The Plains Conservation Center's well-kept pathways make it the perfect place for hiking, bird viewing, and nature walks where guests may fully appreciate the splendor of the grassland. Aurora History Museum. The museum hosts a number of exhibitions on a wide range of subjects, including art, community stories, and local history and tradition. These exhibits are interesting and instructive. The museum makes history exciting and approachable for people of all ages by using interactive displays and a collection of artifacts. A cost-effective educational experience is provided by the free or inexpensive entrance offered by many museums, such as the Aurora History Museum. Aurora Reservoir. For those looking for a serene and beautiful setting, the reservoir is the ideal location because of its breathtaking natural surroundings. It serves as a center for several outdoor pursuits, such as swimming, boating, and fishing. Each activity has its own section of the reservoir, accommodating a range of interests and ability levels. The reservoir has facilities for paddleboarding, kayaking, and sailing for those who enjoy water sports. The Aurora Reservoir is a great place for a family outing because it has playgrounds, picnic spots, and safe swimming beaches. In Aurora, every attraction weaves a story of community, culture, and natural beauty. The city invites you to experience its serene reservoir, rich historical sites, and vibrant community spaces. Aurora embodies the spirit of Illinois in its own unique way, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking a blend of tranquility and cultural richness.